to start with, natural wrinkle fighter, stress fighter that I'm sure everyone has in their home right now in their kitchen. Well, in terms of things that you can actually make for your skin that are found right in your home right now, probably, and in your kitchen, I'm a big believer in using what's natural as much as possible. When it's appropriate or when it's necessary, sure, go for the Western therapies if necessary, even the prescription treatments, some of the more high-tech options for skincare or treatments. But to start with, natural wrinkle fighter, stress fighter that I'm sure everyone has in their home right now in their kitchen. So we're talking about sugar, some milk, which has some good acids in it that exfoliate the surface of your skin. And you can take a little bit of dried milk or regular milk, mix it with a teaspoon of sugar, just granular white sugar, add in some almond meal or even some ground ginger and make a paste out of it. Put it on your face for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. And it is really hydrating. It'll exfoliate the dead cells off the surface. Again, completely pure and natural, and the principles of Ayurvedic beauty in Eastern India have used this for centuries, and they look great. I think we can too.